Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of innovative products.
Today, we're diving into something essential for every household: the best long straw cleaning brush on the market.
Introducing the Straw Cleaner Brush Extend 12-inch by BEUICIRY.
This isn't just any cleaning brush. It's designed to tackle those hard-to-reach spots in your favorite tumblers, water bottles, and baby sippy cups. What makes this brush stand out? It's crafted with top-grade 18-8 food-grade stainless steel wire and features durable, yet soft nylon bristles. These materials ensure thorough cleaning without leaving fuzz behind, unlike typical pipe cleaners.
The 12-inch length and extra-wide 12mm diameter make it versatile for various straw and tube sizes. Whether you're cleaning a Starbucks tumbler or a narrow-neck water bottle, this brush gets the job done. Using the BEUICIRY straw cleaner brush is a breeze.
Simply insert it into the straw, rotate gently, and watch it effortlessly remove residue. The brush's end tip is coated to protect delicate glass or soft tubes, ensuring they stay scratch-free. It's also dishwasher safe, but a quick wash with warm water and dish soap does the trick too. After use, remember to store it in a dry place to maintain its quality. So, why should you consider the BEUICIRY straw cleaner brush? Share your experience below. It's not just about cleaning, it's about efficiency, durability, and peace of mind knowing your favorite drinking vessels are impeccably clean. Whether you're a parent cleaning sippy cups or a coffee enthusiast maintaining your travel mug, this brush is your go-to companion. That wraps up our review of the BEUICIRY straw cleaner brush Extend 12-inch. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, keep exploring, and keep those straws clean.